Tired of a cluttered inbox? Do you find yourself constantly sifting through promotional emails, hitting delete, and wishing there was a magic button to just make them stop? Especially when those emails are from a service you use, like Borrowell, and while you appreciate their core offerings, the marketing messages have become a bit much. If you've ever felt that subtle pang of annoyance as yet another personalized offer lands in your inbox, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a common digital dilemma: how to gracefully, effectively, and permanently unsubscribe from Borrowell's marketing emails. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Borrowell is a fantastic platform, a true game-changer for many Canadians looking to get a handle on their finances. They offer free credit scores and reports, personalized financial product recommendations, and even tools to help you build your credit. These are all incredibly valuable services. But like many companies, Borrowell also uses email marketing to keep their users informed about new features, partner offers, and relevant financial products. And while these emails are designed to be helpful, sometimes they can simply become overwhelming. So, let's break down the process step by step. We'll start with the most common and usually the most effective method, then explore other avenues if that doesn't quite hit the mark. Method 1. The unsubscribe link, your first line of defense. This is, by far, the easiest and most direct way to stop receiving marketing emails from Borrowell, or indeed, from almost any legitimate sender. Every marketing email that Borrowell sends is legally required to include an unsubscribe link. You'll typically find this link tucked away at the very bottom of the email, often in small print. It might say something like unsubscribe, manage preferences, opt out, or click here to unsubscribe. Here's how to do it. Open a Borrowell marketing email. The first step is to locate any marketing or promotional email from Borrowell that you've recently received. If you can't find one in your main inbox, check your spam or promotions folder. Scroll to the bottom. Once you have the email open, scroll all the way down to the very end of the message. Don't worry about reading the content. Your focus is on the footer. Locate the unsubscribe link. Look for the small text at the bottom. It can be easy to miss, so skim carefully. It often stands out because it's the only clickable text in that area, or it might be underlined. Click the link. Once you find it, give that unsubscribe link a click. This will usually take you to a new web page in your browser. Follow the prompts. The page you land on might offer a few options. Sometimes, clicking the link is enough, and you'll get a confirmation message saying you've been unsubscribed. Other times, you might be asked to confirm your decision. Select which types of emails you want to stop receiving, e.g., promotional, partner offers, newsletter, or even briefly state a reason for unsubscribing. Take a moment to read these options carefully. If you only want to stop marketing emails, look for an option that specifically mentions promotional or marketing communications. If you choose to unsubscribe from all emails, be aware that this might include important account-related notifications, which brings us to an important distinction. Transactional versus promotional emails, a crucial distinction. It's vital to understand that there are two main types of emails you receive from companies like Borrowell. Promotional/marketing emails, these are the emails we're primarily targeting for unsubscribing. They're designed to promote services, offers, or content, and they are generally not essential for the functioning of your account. Transactional/account-related emails, these emails are crucial. They include things like credit score updates, security alerts, password reset confirmations, changes to their terms of service, or notifications about your account activity. You generally cannot, and should not, unsubscribe from these types of emails as they contain important information about your relationship with Borrowell and your financial well-being. When you click an unsubscribe link, it typically only applies to the promotional emails. Borrowell's Help Center explicitly states that once you unsubscribe from our marketing and promotional emails, you will only receive essential account and credit score update emails, which are considered transactional emails. This is a good thing. You want to stay informed about your credit score and any critical updates, even if you don't want the marketing pitches. So, as you navigate the unsubscribe page, ensure you're not accidentally opting out of vital account notifications. Method 2. Managing email preferences within your Borrowell account. While the unsubscribe link is the quickest fix, sometimes you want more granular control over what you receive. Many online services, including Borrowell, offer a dedicated email preferences or notification settings section within your account dashboard. This can be a great place to fine-tune your communication settings. Here's how you might find it. Log into your Borrowell account. Navigate to Account Settings or Profile. Look for Email Preferences/Notifications. Adjust your preferences. This method gives you a bit more power than the simple unsubscribe link, allowing you to customize your experience rather than just an all-or-nothing approach to marketing emails. Method 3. Contacting Borrowell customer support. In rare cases, you might encounter an issue with the unsubscribe link, or you might prefer to have a human assist you. If you've tried the first two methods and are still receiving unwanted marketing emails, or if you have a specific request about your communication preferences, contacting Borrowell's customer support is a viable option. Here's how to reach them. Visit the Borrowell Contact Us page. Find their email address. Draft your email. Example email. Subject: Request to unsubscribe from marketing emails. Dear Borrowell Support Team, my name is, your full name, and my email address associated with my Borrowell account is, your email address. I am writing to respectfully request to be unsubscribed from all marketing and promotional emails from Borrowell. I would still like to receive essential account-related and transactional emails, such as credit score updates and security notifications, but I wish to opt out of all other promotional communications. Please confirm once this request has been processed. Thank you for your time and assistance. Sincerely, your full name. Send and follow up. Taking control of your inbox is a small but significant step towards a more organized and less distracting digital life. Borrowell is committed to helping you manage your finances, and part of that commitment extends to respecting your communication preferences. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you only receive the information that truly matters to you, keeping the digital noise at bay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.